Before the clouds arrive, there is anticipation. Before the rains fall, there is silence. And then the monsoon arrives in Ekta Nagar. The skies darken, the winds gather, the scent of rain fills the air. Across the Narmada valley, the landscape awakens in shades of green, and at its heart stands the Statue of Unity, majestic, timeless, and watching over a land transformed by the season. As mist drifts across the hills and clouds descend over the valley, they seem to gently embrace the world's tallest statue. A moment when nature and history become one. This is Monsoon calling. The mighty Narmada flows fuller, stronger, and more graceful than ever. The surrounding hills turn into a sea of emerald green. Mist drifts gently across the valleys, wrapping the landscape in a veil of wonder. Every viewpoint becomes a frame from a cinematic masterpiece. Here, the monsoon is not merely a season. It is a spectacle. Deep within the wilderness of Shulpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, nature performs its grandest symphony. At Zarwani waterfall, crystal clear water flows down through lush forests, filling the valley with their timeless melody. Surrounded by dense greenery and mist-covered trails, this monsoon wonder offers visitors an unforgettable encounter with nature at its purest. As the rains intensify, the waterfall comes alive with renewed energy, showcasing the raw beauty of the season. Across Ekta Nagar, every attraction wears a new shade of life. The Valley of Flowers blooms with renewed vibrance, painting the landscape with colors enhanced by the rains. The Miyawaki forest stands dense and flourishing beneath rain-washed skies, showcasing the power of ecological restoration. At Arogyavan, nature breathes freshness into every path, every leaf, and every moment. The fragrance of wet earth, the whisper of the breeze, the rhythm of falling rain. Together, they create memories that linger long after the clouds have passed. And then comes the season's most dramatic performance, the Sardar Sarovar Dam. As monsoon waters swell, the gates open, releasing torrents of water into the Narmada below. The roar echoes through the valley. The spray rises into the air, a powerful reminder of nature's abundance and human ingenuity working together. It is not just a sight, it is an experience. When the monsoon embraces Ekta Nagar, every landscape tells a story of the mighty Narmada, of majestic waterfalls, of forests renewed, and of a monument standing tall amidst it all. Clouds kissing the world's tallest statue, green hills stretching beyond the horizon, the mighty Narmada flowing with renewed strength. This is not just a destination. This is monsoon at its most beautiful. This is Ekta Nagar, where nature embraces the world's tallest statue.